And now let's move to similarity number 8 between affiliate marketing, right? The modern affiliate marketing versus the network marketing. Now in the similarity number 8, which I think in a way, right, whether is it with affiliate marketing industry or the network marketing industry, right, this is the most attractive and most exciting part of the ultimate long-term scalable results that we as regular people would want to work towards at the end of the day. And the similarity is about financial freedom. That means able to leverage on such kind of business model and their reward system, right? Building up and accumulating it, right? Leveraging on such kind of business model to structure it into such a way that the income is passive in nature. That means without you actively promoting, marketing and selling other people's products, right? Without that, right? Without this active involvement, right? Eventually through a certain period of time, right? For some of us would be maybe, right? In terms of a few years, right? And for some of us, it could be more than 5 years, right? And even 10 years, right? But never was it too late when you understand the true value, right? Of leveraging a business ecosystem, right? To structure your income from an active one, then become semi-active, right? Entering into a passive mode of making the income. That means you no longer really need to be actively involved in the business activities that created the income. And your income came free flow because of the business model allows it. So in the context of affiliate marketing, right? So how do you single out that part of the passive income nature? Then you need to understand the concept of assets. So in a very simple way that I can explain to you, where are these assets coming from in the affiliate marketing, this industry would be a digital one. In fact, it is a digital asset, right? So where are these digital assets that you have created or built? They are your content. These are your assets. And quite a number of your content, right? And for the example of a TikTok marketer, right? Your content will be accompanied by the product affiliated link. It will follow this for a certain period of time, right? Okay, not permanent, okay? Yeah, that I will talk about it in the differences, right? So it will be there. So anytime along the way, maybe even some months or some years from today, someone scrolled in TikTok and saw your video promoting about a product and they decided to buy it, right? During those, monthly flash sale, for example, right? They decided to buy it. You, as the marketer, continue to enjoy the commission. And that is passive in nature. You are not there actively doing live stream to sell it, isn't it? You are leveraging on your video content attached with an affiliated product link. And that link is linked, are being in the system, are being linked to you. Someone buy it and there is a successful transaction. Somebody paid for that thing and the merchant will share this profit with you. And that profit is a commission. In fact, this is similar with in the network marketing industry as well. Your assets, right? Your asset come from you investing your time, your effort, your diligence, your commitment in training that people that came to you that wants to partner you, right? As your partner in that team, right? And they also became independent, right? Business owners, may I say, right? Then their revenue, the revenue they have generated, right? The business model allows it that part of it, right, will be commissioned to you as well. So these are the similarity, right? And it is actually passive in nature. And in the same way, the customer database that you have built in a network marketing business, right? They became your loyal customers. So without you actively selling to them, they repeat buying from you through their own customers, right, account. They order online, right, without your involvement, and the products are delivered by the brand to them without your involvement, without your active involvement at all, pardon me, without your active involvement. So that kind of income, right, leveraging on such kind of asset building business model, it became a passive income in nature, just like an affiliate marketing too, right? And precisely, right, let me highlight this. Why is there a big hype about creating, right, passive income? Because we do not want to work until we die. Yes or no, right? We want to use a leverage way that we continue to enjoy income, whatever we have built earlier on, from an active mode. And because of the system, the business model allows it, right, to be put together legally, right, to reward us for what we have put together, right, in the earlier days, right? And it became passive income in nature that when we are aging, right, or maybe we are not feeling well, right, or we are tired, right, we do not need to worry. We don't have income, right, to finance our lifestyle, right? I'm not talking about being rich here. I'm just talking about daily, regular people, their lifestyle needs, right? It is passive in nature. I mean, what's wrong with that? Do you want to work until the day you die? I don't think so, right? Not me. I don't want to. You know what I mean? I want to go, and enjoy my life too before I leave the earth, right? That's why it's not hard to imagine that many of us, especially the regular people, will embrace the good idea of financial freedom. And financial freedom comes from you actively, right, creating multiple assets that can generate for you income that doesn't require you, right, directly working on it to make that money. No, right? It was done through leveraging on system that you have put together, you have built up, right? So, I mean, what's wrong with that? And in fact, may I quote Warren Buffett, one of the richest multi-billionaire in the world, ever said this, right? If you, right, quote, right, if you cannot make income while you sleep, you will have to work until you die. Okay? A brilliant finance person in the world ever said that, right? If you can't make income while you are resting, while you are sleeping, then you have to work until you die.